Welcome, guys. Christmas is just around the corner, the most wonderful time of the year. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some gifts and gadgets for mom, just to give you some ideas. These are not sponsored products. They just happen to be ones that I like. And we're going to go through step by step and take a look at each one. So our first item is the Theragun Mini, and it's a deep tissue massager. So let's take a look over here and see what it looks like. It comes in this little pouch in the box. Let's take it out and see. You press it to get it to start, and it has different intensities. This one is a lower intensity, which I find is what I can handle, and it can be a higher intensity. You hold it in to turn it off, and the good thing about it is that it actually comes with its own charger, so it's portable. You can take it along with you, and that's really a plus, because a lot of times, you have massagers, things for treatment and things like that, but you're not able to take them with you. But this one you can. This one was for me, but now everyone in my household has been using it. Isn't that awesome? So let me clear this one away. And look at our next item. And these are good to have, as a mom. It's a nice gadget to have in your house. It's actually, as it says right here on the box, it's an infrared forehead thermometer. So you basically hold it and you point, and it tells you the temperature. You can have it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, depending on what you prefer. And it actually came with batteries in there. These were actually stuck under here, but I put them inside to make it work. And so you can be off to a good start as soon as it comes for you in the mail. And of course, you have your little manual here that gives you all the instructions and how to use it. And I've used it so far, and it's pretty good. Touchless, really good for the times. Next we have, this is another good thing to have here as well. It is called, let me show you here, Pulse Oximeter. And what this does is that it actually, you stick your finger in here, and it's going to tell you what your oxygen level is and what your pulse rate is. And so that way, if you're having any respiratory issues, it's going to tell you, what's going on, so you'll know if you need to get help or if it's something that you can manage at home. And I'm just going to go through, one at a time with you, these items that I have here. Next, we have Bakeware. These are always a good idea for moms, because sometimes, she'll have bakeware in the house, the metal ones mostly. You'll find that they start to scratch. And honestly, when that happens, they really should be tossed out and get some new ones. This one is a loaf pan, and this one is a square cake pan. And of course, there are different brands available. And by the way, I'll put links where you can get some of these products on Amazon, so you can pick and choose what works better for you. Next we have here Living Solutions, and it's a smoothie maker. You can see you have pulse, you have off, low, high. And this basically snaps in place. You put it on there and you just select what you want, and it's going to get a nice smoothie. You can screw it off, and there are actually two of them that come in here, that one and this one, with a cover on there, so it's portable. You could take it along with you. You just make your smoothie and you head off to the gym, or you head off to work, wherever you have to go. So definitely a good item there. And bear in mind that, if your gut is healthy, because you're putting healthy stuff in there, then your whole body gets healthy as well. And here we have a Succulent, and this is actually alive, and it comes with a dropper, so you can water it, and you're not going to put too much, because succulents don't like a lot of water. And it came in this box. This was fitting over there when it came. And then we have our candle. Smells really nice. Candles are always a good idea. There are different brands that you can get, different sizes. And this is always a winner. You know, in the holidays when you have your house smelling of those nice scents, it's always so welcoming. You can always give items like these to mom for bath time, you know, whether she's gonna have her spritz, fragrant mist, or, you know, like the hand creams, body lotions. You know, these are always good ideas. You know, choose fragrances that you think she like. If she has sensitive skin, then you may want to go with some of them that are unscented. And next we have the foot massager. This one is Homedics. And this one is a winner right here for sure. You just basically turn it on here. And then your feet are placed along here, and it gives that nice massage. You also have these here for the pressure points. And you can also, you know, use this part here as well. You press it one more time, and it gets warm because it's thermal. So this is an excellent way for mom to relax at the end of her day or the start, you know, just depending on what she plans to do for that day. And next we have our calendar here. I personally like to have calendars for each of the bedrooms and for the kitchen as well. And, you know, it's good to choose ones that she will like based on what her tastes are. As you know, I like flowers. You know, a lot of my videos are about flowers and how to care for them, how to decorate your home with them. So this definitely appeals to me. And as you can see, they're quite pretty there. It helps to liven up your home too. And then last but not least, I actually got this from Walmart for just $5, believe it or not. And I made sure that I got it. I actually saw it there in October, but I got it because I know that sometimes, you know, when you leave these items for a while, you go back and you can't find them anymore. So let me plug it in and I'll show you what it looks like when it's lit. See, that is what it looks like, and this is going to go in my window. It's going to brighten up the place at night. It'll be a welcoming sight. So if there's still any more there, I'd say, you know, go out and get one if you can, if this appeals to you. I do thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best for the holiday season. Take care of your family, hug them. Life is short, so enjoy each and every day. I'll also put a link for a video that I did that's going to show you how to decorate your porch by wrapping your columns in a candy cane style. Thanks so much for watching.